Derivation of mirror formula for curved mirrors. Let's derive the mirror formula using ray diagrams and geometry. Ray 1. A ray from the top of the object, point B of AB, travels parallel to the principal axis. It strikes the mirror at point X and reflects through the focal point F. Ray 2. Another ray from point B travels through the center of curvature C, strikes the mirror at point Y, and reflects back along the same path. These two reflected rays, X to B' and Y to B', meet at B'. So, B' is the image of B. Hence, the image of AB is A', B'. Now, from the figure, consider triangles ABC and A', B', These are similar triangles. In similar triangles, the ratio of corresponding sides is equal. So, AB divided by A', B' equals AC divided by A', Let this be equation 1. Now draw a line from point X perpendicular to the principal axis, and let it meet at point P'. From the diagram, triangles P'(XF) and A'(B')F are also similar. So, P'(X) divided by A'(B') equals P'(F) divided by A'(F). So, P'(X) divided by A'(B') equals P'(F) divided by A'(F). Let this be equation 2. From the figure, we know P'(X) equals AB. Substitute this in equation 2. We get AB by A'(B') equals P'(F) by A'(F). Let this be equation 3. Now substitute equation 1 into equation 3. We get AC by A'(C) equals P'(F) by A'(F). Let this be equation 4. For paraxial rays, that is, rays close to the principal axis, P' coincides with P. So, P'(F) equals PF. Now rewrite equation 4. AC by A'(C) equals PF by A'(F). This is equation 5. From the figure, observe the following on the principal axis. AC equals PA minus PC. A'(C) equals PC minus PA'. A'(F) equals PA' minus PF. Substitute these in equation 5. PA minus PC by PC minus PA' equals PF by PA' minus PF. This is equation 6. Now substitute known terms. PA is U, object distance. PC is R, which is 2F. PA' is V, image distance. PF is F. So the equation becomes U minus 2F by 2F minus V equals F by V minus F. Now do cross multiplication. U minus 2F times V minus F equals F times 2F minus V. Expanding. U times V gives UV. U times minus F gives minus UF. Minus 2F times V gives minus 2FV. Minus 2F times minus F gives plus 2F squared. On the right side, F times 2F gives 2F squared. F times minus V gives minus VF. Now bring all terms except UV to the right-hand side. UV equals 2F squared minus VF plus UF plus 2VF minus 2F squared. Simplify. 2F squared gets cancelled. We get UV equals UF plus VF. Let this be equation 7. Now divide both sides of equation 7 by UVF. UV by UVF equals UF by UVF plus VF by UVF. This simplifies to 1 by F equals 1 by V plus 1 by U. And this is the mirror formula.